My name's Scott Dengler. I'm from Scott's All Season Landscaping. We're a landscape snow removal contractor in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. Last winter, we were getting ready for a big snowstorm, and we got a blast email from Earthborne Equipment, our dealer, and they said that we're open 24/7 during snowstorms. So later on that night when the storm hit, we were getting somewhere around a foot of snow. About 2 o'clock in the morning, we blew a belt on a machine, and I remembered the email, and I said, well, let's take a run over there and see if we can get a belt. And at 2 in the morning, my son and I jumped in the pickup and ran from the hospital that we were plowing over to Earthborne. And in the snowstorm, it was about a 40-minute ride because the roads were so bad. When we got here, I walked in and I said, they're opened. And I went up to the counter and I said to the guy, you really are opened. And they said, yeah, it's true, we're here. And 5 minutes later, I had the belt and I was on my way back so we could get the hospital open by 6 a.m. And it worked out great. And when they say they're open 24/7 during snow, they truly are. And they saved the day or the night there.